I actually have it in one of these. It's like a scrunchie that is made from a really cool material that helps to absorb water. I love putting my hair up when it's wet. Like, I don't like that feeling of it being like half wet, half dry, and it's just like sticking to your neck. I need to get it up and out of my face. But at the same time, if it's up, it usually stays wet for longer. So I'm really into these because they help to absorb extra moisture, but I can still pull my hair back. These are from Kitsch, and I've recently been using their shampoo and conditioner bars, which I'll tell you about later. But the plan for today, I've got a lot of computer work I'm gonna do, but in between that, I'm gonna break it up with some kind of getting ready for summer activities that I wanna do. I recently ordered some new clothes, so I thought I would show you what I got because I feel like I need a summer uniform, like something that I can just kind of have a couple of different options, a couple of different colors, but just not really have to think about it, throw it on, it's comfy, but I feel cute and like put together, but it's super easy because I work from home and it's very easy for me just to be in pajamas all day. And we are also going on a trip with my fiance's family, and I want to have some kind of summery pieces that make me feel good but are also really comfy. So I picked up a couple options that we will look at later today, and then I also want to go through my closet and do a little bit, I have like a hack to share with you when it comes to finding how to update your wardrobe without necessarily buying a whole bunch of new stuff. So we'll do that together, but pretty much it's just gonna be a home day. So I hope you enjoy this cozy vlog. I'm about to make lunch in a minute, but I did want to talk to you about these shampoo and conditioner bars that I've been absolutely loving. I've been using them for probably almost 2 months now, and I teamed up with Kitsch to bring you this video because they have incredible accessories that are really, really cute. This heatless curl set that really caught my eye. I love these scrunchies like I told you about, and their hair clips. But what really drew me into this brand was these solid shampoo and conditioners. Now, I've used solid shampoo and conditioners in the past, and I was kind of skeptical because I really like a shampoo that lathers and really cleans my hair really well. And some of the shampoo bars that I've used in the past, while they are a great sustainable option, they didn't also really work that well for my hair. But these are really great. They're made with rice water protein, and the protein really helps to strengthen your hair, and it also helps to balance the moisture in your hair so you don't get too oily or too dried out. And I find that I can very easily run my fingers through my hair while I'm actually in the shower. Now, for context, I have medium straight hair. Like, it doesn't have a ton of texture, but I do find that it gets tangly really easily, especially as it's growing out and getting longer back here, you know, where you always get those tangles. I also like that it's vegan, cruelty-free, color safe, and they help to reduce single-use plastic, which is amazing. And they're also made without parabens, silicones, or sulfates. So really cool product that I think is a great way to kind of do what you can to help the environment. I think sometimes when it comes to sustainable options like this, it can feel like we have to be a little bit all or nothing. Like, if you can't be totally zero waste, then why bother trying? And I just don't believe in that mindset at all. And so wherever there's an opportunity for me to use a product that works really well and is really helping to cut down on single-use plastic, I try to take advantage of that opportunity because I know that every choice like that I make adds up and makes a difference. And if more people are doing that, the better. You guys already know I talk about this all the time, whether it's with food or products like this. So it's not about being perfect. It's not about, you know, totally changing the way you do everything, but when it's just made easy for you, like with these Kitsch shampoo and conditioner bars, I really think it's a win-win. And Kitsch was kind enough to offer my viewers 25% off. So if you use my link and code, which I will put down in the description box below and also on the screen here, you can get 25% off. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and get started on lunch. out. And what's fun about putting it up is that you get a little bit of movement as it air dries. It kind of gives it a little bit of shape, but it's still drying. Anyway, I did pick up a couple of pieces, my favorite of which are these pants. I haven't tried them on yet. I literally just opened the package, but I'm so excited because they are exactly what I was hoping for. I'm 5'9", so finding loungy, comfy pants is hard because everything looks like high waters on me. Like nothing is ever long enough. And these are long and they're wide leg. And I like that they are a neutral, but they're not black. And they have this really nice, soft, stretchy waistband. So I feel like this with just like a little tank top or a little t-shirt around the house is going to be like very comfortable, but just a little bit more elevated than what I've currently been wearing. And this does come in a bunch of colors, so I'm definitely going to check out the other colors that they have because these are exactly what I was hoping for in terms of like work from home clothes. We're gonna be going to the beach with my fiance's family soon, and I wanted to get a sarong to cover up, and this one is one that I think is really nice. It's definitely more orange than I was expecting. Online, it was more of a terracotta, which is one of my favorite colors, and this is orange, but I still like it, and I think this will be really pretty on the beach. You can tie it, I'll put a picture, you can tie it as a skirt, or you can put it all the way around you like a dress if you want a little bit more coverage. And I just think having things like this in your beach bag is so handy because you never know when you're just gonna wanna like shield yourself from the sun, or like if you're gonna be going somewhere after the beach and you just want to be covered, like this is a really cute way to go from beach to restaurant or beach to grocery store or whatever. There's two fails. One of them is this romper. It is like a really soft, almost like a PJ material, which could be nice, but I was thinking more of like this kind of vibe from Pinterest. I really like the idea of having a summer uniform where I have a few different linen rompers that are just really cozy and roomy, and you just wear like a tank top and some jewelry, can dress them up, dress them down, and they're just like a great throw-on outfit that is easy but looks nice at the same time, like looks like an outfit. And this was a little too like jersey material, like too pajama-y, and it's way too short. So unfortunately this was a fail. I also found these, I guess I was in a brown mood. I got a burgundy and also a brown triangle bikini. I really like the top, but I'm realizing that the bottoms are cheeky and they're ruched, and I have such a hard time finding bikini bottoms that are not like very revealing, which I love that look. I think that's really pretty, but if you're on a family vacation, like it just feels like a bit much. That was a fail also, but please comment below and let me know if you have a good like bathing suit bikini brand that you really like, or even not just a brand but like a specific one that you like. Comment below and let me know where you found it, because I'm definitely in the market for some bathing suits that are just like a little bit more full coverage. So very happy with the pants and the sarong though, and I actually cannot wait to put these on. Okay, we are in my very messy closet at the moment. This is a project that I've been meaning to work on, but honestly, it's been just low on the totem pole in terms of priorities. But today I want to not only just put things back where they belong, do some laundry, but I also have a notebook. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at some of the pieces that I think I'm gonna wanna use for summer and see if I can make some outfits with them. And if it's like, I can almost make an outfit, but I just need a white tank top to pull it all together, I'm gonna write that down because that's like a gap in the wardrobe. And the more you do that, the more you see that you really don't need to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe in order to have cute outfits to wear. For example, I have had these pants. They're like these long palazzo pants. I love these. They are so comfy and they kind of like sway when you walk. They're just a really fun piece. I love the suns on them. I think they're from Urban Outfitters, but I don't know what to wear them with. So with stuff like this, what I like to do is kind of set it aside. And then what I'm gonna do later on, probably not today, but another day, is I'll go on Pinterest and I'll type in like palazzo pants outfits or like patterned pants outfits and see if I can get some inspiration in terms of like styling. I feel like making a note of some of these specific items that I just don't know what to do with. Instead of donating them, I'm going to put them aside, make a mental note to try to get some outfit inspiration, and then put together some new looks using the piece that I already have. So we're gonna try our best to be very creative here. All right, so I've made some progress in here and now I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, get some work done, and I will see you guys at dinner time.